This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall JDK 11 on Linux operating system. I will walk you through the process of identifying the installation path, removing JDK 11, updating environment variables, and verifying the uninstallation. Here you can see Amazon AWS console, and here you can see the EC2 instance which is running. Copy this IPv4 address. Using Putty software, log into Amazon EC2 instance. I have successfully logged into Amazon EC2 instance. Open WinSCP. Click on Login to log into Amazon EC2 instance. Step 1 is identify the installation path. Before uninstalling JDK 11, you need to confirm where it is installed. If you installed it manually, it is usually located in opt folder or a custom directory. To check for Java installation path, you have to run this command. This will list the different Java versions installed and their paths. Then you have to identify the JDK 11 path, which is something like opt/JDK 11. Run this command to find the JDK 11 installation path. And here you can see JDK 11 is installed in opt folder. Here you can see JDK 11. Step 2 is remove JDK 11. For that, navigate to installation directory. If JDK 11 was installed manually using tar.gz file, you can simply delete the folder. Navigate to the directory where JDK 11 is installed using cd opt command. Then remove the JDK 11 directory using sudo remove command. Current directory is EC2 user. Go to opt folder. Here you can see JDK 11 folder. Using sudo remove command, remove the JDK folder. And if you see, JDK 11 is removed. Click on refresh, and here also you can see it is removed. Step 3 is remove environment variables. If you had set environment variables like Java Home for JDK 11, you should remove or update them. For that, open the environment variables file using sudo nano command. Then locate JDK 11 related lines. Then remove or comment out those lines. Then save and exit by pressing Ctrl+X. Then Y to confirm the changes. Then hit on enter. Then reload the environment variables by running the command source profile file. Open the profile file. And remove JDK 11 related lines. Ctrl+X. Y to confirm the changes. Click on enter. Changes are saved. Then reload the environment variables using this command. Step 4 is update alternatives. Remove Java alternative. If JDK 11 was added to the alternative system, then remove it using this particular command. Remove Java C alternative. To remove that, use this command. I have removed Java and Java C alternative. To confirm that, run this command and you can see it is not showing any JDK installed. Step 5 is verify the uninstallation. For that, you have to run java-version command. If JDK 11 was the only Java version installed in that machine, then this command will return an error message or point to the different Java version if other Java version is installed in the system. Run this command and we got the error message. From this we can confirm JDK 11 is successfully uninstalled from this Linux system. The conclusion is, by following these steps, you should have successfully uninstalled JDK 11 from your Linux system. If you need to switch to another JDK version, you can install it and update your Java home and alternatives accordingly. Regularly maintaining your Linux system by removing unused software helps keep it clean and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.